When the stars are spelling your name, and the night is brighter than daylight, then you know that something awaits. Kick off your shoes, let your body flow. Listen to the river, it's better than radio. You won't fall even when you're up high. Growing up can be so hard. It's gonna be alright tonight. We're gonna kill it today. Get lost in the music, get lost in the neon lights. Pick up your gun and fire away.
What's up, guys, and good evening. Yes, it is evening time here in Siargao Island. I don't know, around 9 o'clock, give or take. We're just gonna walk around, show you the nightlight here, what goes on. Lots of music, lots of bands, lots of people coming out, eating, drinking, listening to music. It's a vlogger's headache when it comes to music, but you guys see what's going on here. Completely different looking in the evening compared to the day. A lot more traffic, a lot more people. But we're just going to cruise around. We just finished up our coffee at the Corner Cafe, my go-to place for coffee and breakfast. Now we're all amped up on coffee. Here's Chef Marqueen. I know it's a little dark looking back in there, but that's where I got my burgers. Those delicious cheeseburgers that Lut and I had. But yeah, it's just completely different vibe at night. People out, like I said, hanging out, souvenirs or lights. You guys see it. This place up here on the left, it's closed during the day. The Strum, what's it called? The Strum Music Cafe. Miguel's Kitchen in here. It's closed during the day and opens in the evenings. There's a group in there playing, bongos and everything like that. Kind of reminds you of, say,
Cigarettes.
you were in. What? I don't smoke cigarettes.
Cigarettes. Massage.
I don't. Now she got me confused. Reminds me of. That reggae music reminds me of being in the Bahamas. This tattoo place here is the oldest. They say supposedly the oldest tattoo shop in the area. That's what the gentleman there told me. There's a sign there that says that Lut and I do plan to get another tattoo, but I don't know what I want. But we will get one. Barbecue place here on the left. I walked by here earlier. That grill was smoking. But check it out. This is another barbecue joint here. Huh?
Did you read that?
Bulalo. 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 But yeah, here's what you get. Pay as you order. Really good prices. Barbecue. Pretty cool looking place. You guys, that island jungle vibe, right? Well, we are on an island, and we are kind of in the jungle. Gotta watch out. You gotta walk on the street. There's no sidewalks here. Anywhere there is an area where you may be able to kind of walk is got motorbikes in them. This is what it is. Motorbike rental. All kinds of motorbike rental places here. You guys here on the right hand side, there's music playing over there. Coffee and juices and breakfast. Souvenir shops in there. Arabian shawarma. I think that's chicken. That's chicken in there. Over here is more music. It's like a battle of bands. Benanja. You want your tarot reading and spiritual gift shop right here? Read your palm. Tell you if you're going to come across a bunch of money. Oop. All right. Or if you're going to go broke. We're going to shoot up the other side also. Vegan ice cream. If you're a vegan, there's a lot of vegan shops here. Vegan ice cream. Wholesome, real ingredients. Seems like this is a magnet for vegans. I've eaten some vegan food. It's okay. Am I going to go vegan? No. That's not going to happen. I enjoy what I like and what I eat. Mr. Yuso, unique crafts, handmade souvenirs. Pretty cool looking, huh? So, you hand make all these? Yeah. Right. Nice, nice. And we're coming up on this place here. This is Videoke up here. I know that for a fact. Up there. It says karaoke, Videoke. Vape shop on the left. I know I'm talking, but I got to Gcash. Guys, they accept Gcash all over the island here, all the way down through Gcash. Seems like everywhere you go, Gcash. This place here on the left is a nightclub, Siargao Beach Club, right? I stopped by there earlier. I wanted to go in there and just film around, you know, and show the inside of it. And the guy said, "Can I look in your bag?" I'm like, "Yeah, no problem. Help yourself." You know, which is normal, which is typical here. Finally, a break from the music. Normal and typical. He looked at my bag and then he goes, "Can I body search you?" I looked at him and I laughed. I said, "No, that's not gonna happen." But yeah, evidently that place gets filled up different nights of the week. They have different places here from what I'm told where the party is. One night the party is at one place. One night the party is in another place. This place here, we've eaten here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've eaten here. It's good. You know, Filipino style food. Very good, very good. You know what, let's, BB's is down here on the right hand side, left hand side. That's another barbecue place. Let's just jump across the road. We'll head back the other way so you can see what's going on the other side of the road. You got tourist promotions all along here. Yeah, let's jump across the street here. I've walked up and down this road this evening a couple times. I was playing around with the Sony ZV-1 I have, right? Trying to get it set up to where I can film at night and things like that. So I was running up and down the road here, just doing shots, you know, like B-roll and stuff, trying to get it right. I'll get it, because I want to start using that camera too, incorporating all my cameras into all my vlogs when my drone gets here. What?
No, you did it.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened?
Let them first.
Oh, let them first. Okay, yeah. Incorporate everything together. So I got to figure out what I'm and how I'm going to use that ZV-1 for what. Tuna Road, Carinderia, they're closed. It's another hot spot here. You see a lot of people eating there. A lot of Filipinos eat there. Ink Focus Tattoo. Once again, a lot of tattoo places. We're only in a small stretch of tourism road. It seems like this stretch is busy. You go down the road a little bit more, then there's another stretch of a tourism road that is very busy. There it is. I'm not a big fan of that because I like my food hot. So once again, we're going to get up here to the music. There we go, a little, what do you call it? Fruit stands, mango shakes, banana cucumbers. Yeah, I'm not I don't know what else I was even going to say. An ATM machine over there. That's coming from the beach club. There's another, it's like a battle of the bands because they got music up there cranking away. El Lobo. They even have security there with security wands and everything. What's the deal with that, right? You wonder what the deal is with that? Have they had issues and problems in the past?
What's there?
You know, with people bringing in weapons? Who knows? Who knows? I'm not a nighttime party person like that. Will Lit and I go out eventually? And yeah, we plan to. Coffee, laundry, surfboard, souvenirs, arts, and brunch. Like I said, during the day it just looks completely different. You guys see the traffic too. That must be being either renovated or brand new. More than likely apartments or a hotel. Plastar. What's Plastar? Plastar curse. Clothing shop. More bands playing on the left. Open mic every Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Gastro Pub. There you go. I can pronounce Gastro Pub. Biolegery. Yeah, something like that. Looks Biolegery. Gastro Pub. Go to the beach shop here. Shifu. Another singers in there. That's Chinese restaurant. Then some China cafe bar. What's up, guys? All right. Shifu. Right, Shifu. All right. Look. Huh? Are you hot?
Yeah.
Are you warm? It is a warm night. Souvenirs here to the left. What do you want? T-shirts, refrigerator magnets, shorts, purses. What do you want? We got it all. Here's another. What's this place here? Hapag. Filipino food at its finest. Yeah, hapag is Filipino food. And once again, more people in there singing for your pure entertainment. Oh, look out. And then we got Corner Cafe. Hey. All right. Best gelati in the whole island. Oh, all right. No, not tonight.
Why?
I'm busog. I'm busog. Yeah, busog na. Yeah. Corner Cafe. The only place that doesn't charge you for milk and sugar. All the other cafes I've gone to, that we have gone to, they love to charge you extra if you want milk and sugar with your coffee. And Lut and I got, I don't know, you can say, oh, you're cheap. All right, I'm cheap. But Lut and I, we're starting to bring our own milk and sugar along, like our own creamers, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm telling you, they'll charge you like 40 pesos. 50, like 50 pesos. I know, Philly, you're cheap. Yes, sir. Call me what you want. This place here on the left, what's this called, Lut? I forget. We've had coffee in there. It's fairly new. That is a nice place right there for coffee. They got really good desserts in there. I can tell you that right now. Tacos, nachos, and beer. That's that place right there. Basta. Hydration bar. This is the hydration bar right here. Boko. Oh, look, I'm supposed to tell you that it's coconut milk. It is not coconut juice. Okay? Somebody said correct look because it's coconut milk. It's not coconut juice.
It's coconut juice.
Yeah. Vegans, there's another vegan joint right back in there. It's another ink digger, another tattoo place.
Let me just follow Mary first.
Place is full over there. Right there, ink digger. Ink digger tattoo. That looks like a really nice tattoo place. Really nice. State of the art.
There's dog.
Oh, yeah, here's the dogs down here. There's like a pack of wild dogs down here. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's as many dogs there as we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting 6. And you got this place here on the left. Baracho Resto Bar. Music again. They got it set up to play music. Let me quick get by here. I know I'm like yelling, guys, but what are you gonna do? You know, YouTube is so worried about, oh, there's an artist music playing, and we can't have that. We don't intentionally do that. I can see if you whole video was using copyright music, right? But vloggers don't intentionally do that. What do we got here? What time? 16 minutes. So, all right, I think that should be about it. Let me go over here where it's very light. No, that is not an adult bookstore there. The X, Team X, that is not an adult bookstore. That is a VIP shop. All right, it's good to go. But it's got light and it's quiet, so I can head over here real quick and use their light to wrap this one up. See, VIP. This is new. This is not new. Well, this may be a new shop, but these are popping up all over here. All over here. Everywhere you go, there's these shops. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. It's a warm night. You know what? Let me also say there's something funny, right? I think it's funny. Right? We know of a person that came here, older gentleman, from the Angeles City area, right? And he didn't like it. I don't like it. Where are the girly bars at? Where are the girly bars at? You know, because, you know, the sex tourists, the sex pads that are up in that area, you know, everything has to be about the girls and the girly bars and bar finds and all that crazy stuff. He didn't like it here. Good. If you're one of them freaks that everything has to be about the girls and about like a walking street experience and all, don't bother to come here. Don't even bother to come here, because this place is not about that. I've said it, I'll say it again. There is more to the Philippines than Angeles City and its walking street. A lot more beauty. So anyways, guys, that is my walk and talk, my ramble for the evening. And with that being said, we shall talk to you later.